Welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. If this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel on YouTube that supports students in West Africa, Lagos, Gambia, Liberia, all over the world with free maths videos and physics videos, okay, to support them to do their exams by themselves without getting involved in malpractice. Okay, so today's video is about IJMB 2018, and don't forget, if it's your first time, please try to click the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you are doing and you support what you're doing, and also share this video. Okay, so today's video is about IJMB 2018 and all about it to gain admission into 200 level. Okay, this is for Nigerians in Nigerian university. Okay, so the content of this video, we're going to speak about IJMB, everything about it, then the benefits of IJMB and why you should apply for it. Okay, we're introducing our study center. DTW Tutorial is in partnership with the Prime University. Okay, that we have a study center that prepares students for IJMB, JUPEB, Cambridge A-level exams. All right, and also the IJMB fees, the breakdown, and DTW Tutorials, we're offering a discount to each student that apply for the IJMB through us. Okay, so try to watch the video to the end to know what to do to get 7,000 naira off your total fees. Okay, and also we're going to put the list of universities that accept IJMB, their courses and grade points. I'm going to put that in the description box. Okay, so try to check that because the list is quite long. I can't put it in this video, so check the description box for the list of universities that accept IJMB. Okay, so about IJMB, is an acronym of the Interim Joint Matriculation Board. It is approved, proven and certified advanced level program moderated by Ahmed Bello University. Okay, and it has different coordinating body in various universities, and one of them is the University of Ilorin. All right, and also they have different study centers nationwide, and we, the Prime University, is a study center. We also have in Owerri, Port Harcourt, and Kwara, that is in Ilorin. All right, and the entry qualification into IJMB is purely your O-level result. You don't need JAMB. And also students awaiting their results, their WAEC results, can also apply for the IJMB to gain admission to 200 level. Okay, so as I said earlier on, it allows successful students to get admission into 200 level of almost all Nigerian university. Okay, and the courses are not limited to medicine, law, accounting, business administration, and mass comm. All right, one thing you should know that IJMB is approved by the federal government of Nigeria to secure admission into higher institutions in Nigerian universities, and also it is guaranteed about 20,000 applicants apply for this program yearly, and more than 70% secure admission into university in 200 level of their preferred institution and course. Also, you should know that it is certified by the Nigerian University Commission. Okay, that's NUC, as an advanced level examination that qualifies students into 200 level via direct entry. And you can also check your JAMB syllabus. You're going to see IJMB there, and the ways you can gain admission on the schools that accept IJMB via direct entry. Okay, and the program duration is between 9 to 10 months. One academic session divided into 2 semesters. So we begin in our center, we begin lectures every March. Lectures have started and we end January because the examination is conducted in every February. So for 2018 exam, it will be in 2019 February. Okay, and in our center we use professional lecturers that are IJMB inclined. Okay, so benefits of IJMB and why you should apply for it. The first one is you gain admission without JAMB, post-UME, wahala. And another thing that is so good is that IJMB result does not expire because it's a certificate. It's an advanced A-level certificate, so it does not expire. But you should take note that every 5 years, every exam body, they review their syllabus and changes are being made. So it's best you use the IJMB certificate within 5 years. Okay, so it will still remain relevant. All right, so IJMB is cheaper, way more cheaper than your pre-degree and foundation programs. I know foundation program in some schools could get up to 400,000. Pre-degree could get up to like 200 and something thousand. And the funniest thing is that when you do those foundation programs, it has to be, you only get admission in that school. You can't get admission in any other school. And if you don't pass it, that your money is gone. You have to pay another money. That's if you want to enroll again, you have to pay some more money, the same amount or even higher, to do the program again. But for IJMB, it is cheaper. You can apply to several universities and you can use the certificate. It doesn't expire. You can use the certificate again and again. All right. And the third one is that it's just like you attending lectures for 100 level. 9 months of lectures, rigorous lectures from professional lecturers in our study center. Okay, and we provide you accommodation. Okay, so introducing our study center, the Prime Privacy. Okay, we are located in number 12 Basin Road, opposite Energy Filling Station, Ilorin, Kwara State, and we have over 5 years consistent experience in preparing students for JUPEB, IJMB levels, NAPTEC, Cambridge, and also, we offer intensive tutorials to candidates. We prepare them for the exam, register them for the examination, and monitor their admission into their choice for university. And we do this yearly. Okay, so we offer our services from the day the candidate enrolls with us to the day he or she gets admitted into his or her desired university. Okay, so this is a fees breakdown. You have the registration fee of 10,000 naira, the tuition fee 45,000 naira, examination fee 70,000 naira, textbooks 15,000 naira, accommodation is optional. Okay, we have accommodation secured, well secured. Okay, so you can stay with us, or you can live within the premises of the state study center, and the total fee is 170,000 naira. And note that you can make your payments in installments, about 3 installments. You can do that. And our discount offer from DTW Tutorials, we're offering a discount of 7,000 naira off your total fees. Okay, now this is a cross section of the pictures of our center, our students. This is the hostel, their lab, because you'll be doing some physics practical for your exams. These are toilets, facilities, your kitchen. Okay, so we have a common room with DSTV, conducive environment for learning. All right, so we are up to the task and we are here for business. All right, and also we offer free ICT training. Okay, free of charge. We do that. So for further inquiries and to claim your discount, so call 080-2491-8694 and mention DTW Tutorials as your discount code. Okay, to claim your 7,000 naira discount, mention DTW Tutorials when you call this number. And also you can visit us on our website www.theprimeprivacy.com.ng. and if you have further inquiries, please send me an email at dtwtutorialsng@gmail.com. All right, so thank you for listening to us, and I wish you success in gaining admission this year. And this is a sure way to gain admission into 200 level. So thank you, and don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. You are destined to win. Give your life to Christ. Bye.